Yo, what's up guys, your boy's back with another video, and today this video is on the Mac OS. So you might have seen this problem or faced this problem where you can't write files to the Ntfs formatted drive. So right now I have a drive which is Ntfs, formatted with Ntfs. So I'm gonna go with diskutil utility list to list my disks, and here you can see my disk 1 where there are 3 partitions, and they are Ntfs. So the problem with the Ntfs formatted partitions or drives are that you can read data from them, but you can't write data on them when you're using the macOS. So there are ways to do it via purchasing paid applications and stuff. So I'm gonna show you the way where you don't need that any of those applications. You just need to open your terminal and follow me so you can get your work done. So first of all, what we're gonna do is we are gonna unmount. If your drives are mounted, Ntfs drives are mounted, unmount them. So to do that, you gotta do is umount, sudo umount, and /volume, volumes, and name of that partition. So for me, just let's suppose I'm gonna go with random. So mine isn't right now mounted, so if I typed in, it's gonna ask for the password, but it's gonna say there ain't no drive like that. So not currently mounted, as you can see. So now after that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a directory on your desktop, just like I've made, or by directory I mean a folder with the name. So if I'm gonna mount the random on my desktop, so I'm gonna make a folder named random, and after that what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna type sudo mount, and after that I'm gonna /dev. You can see the dev here and the identifier. So for the random data, the identifier is disk1s3. And I just missed a step here. You're gonna go with T and the format Ntfs, which is, and then O for the ownership, which is gonna be read and write, and auto plus nobrowse. So I'm gonna leave these these commands in the description so you can copy it from there. So after that, what we're going to do is we're going to type in dev and the identifier disk1s3 and this tilde sign and then desktop and then the folder, so random, and press enter. So as you can see, my drive is now here mounted on the desktop. So let me show you the proof of you can write data on that drive. So open another Finder Windows, and here you can see this IntelliJ folder. I'm gonna copy it to that drive, and you can see it start copying. It is an Ntfs drive, and now you can copy data on that drive and delete any data from that drive. So let me show you. As you can see, so this is the way you can mount your Ntfs partitions or drive on your Mac and read and write data on them. So thanks for watching. Hope you find this video helpful. Press like and subscribe for more.